How to fix default microphone not working in Roblox. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are diving deep into a comprehensive technical troubleshooting guide for one of the most frustrating audio issues in gaming. When your default microphone fails to work in Roblox voice chat, leaving only your secondary headset microphone functioning. During our investigation at Teknobalta, our technical team personally encountered this exact error, where selecting the primary standalone or default system microphone in the game menu results in zero audio transmission. We tested every possible configuration, root cause, and conflict, and our analysis revealed that this problem stems from a combination of driver state freezes, application exclusive mode conflicts, and system-level input routing glitches. In this video, we are sharing our exclusive, step-by-step diagnostic methodology containing 20 comprehensive technical solutions so you can restore total microphone functionality. Let us begin with our first and most effective system-level fix: uninstalling the corrupted audio driver through Device Manager. Right-click on your Windows Start menu, select Device Manager, and expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs category. Right-click on your default microphone that is failing to transmit audio in Roblox. Select Uninstall Device and confirm the prompt. Once the device is completely removed from the system tree, you must immediately restart your PC. Upon rebooting, Windows will automatically detect the hardware and install a fresh, uncorrupted driver state, which our diagnostics confirmed resolves the underlying audio routing lock. Our second solution addresses background application conflicts, specifically targeting active media players. Our testing showed that having Spotify running in the background can actively hijack audio streams or interfere with Roblox input capture. Open your Task Manager, locate Spotify or any other active media playback software, right-click the process, and select End Task to eliminate the software conflict before launching Roblox. Third, we must verify and configure the in-game audio input selection via the Roblox Escape menu. During gameplay, press the Escape key to open the game menu, navigate to the Settings tab, and scroll down to the Input Device option. Our analysis revealed that Roblox often defaults to a secondary headset microphone instead of your primary default system device. Manually open the drop-down list and explicitly select your intended default microphone to force the engine to capture the correct hardware channel. Fourth, let us disable exclusive mode inside your Windows Sound Control panel. Press Windows key plus R, type MMSys, CPL, and press Enter to open the Classic Sound Properties interface. Navigate to the Recording tab, double-click your default microphone, switch to the Advanced tab, and uncheck both boxes under Exclusive Mode. This prevents third-party background software from locking the microphone input and refusing Roblox access to the audio stream. Fifth, you must check and adjust your Windows privacy and security microphone permissions. Open Windows Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and select Microphone under the App Permissions heading. Ensure that both Microphone Access and Let Apps Access Your Microphone are toggled to the On position. Additionally, scroll to the bottom of the page and confirm that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled, so the Roblox client is permitted to capture voice data. Sixth, we need to inspect the Windows default input device assignments across the entire operating system. In the Classic Sound Control panel under the Recording tab, right-click your preferred default microphone and choose Set as Default Device. Right-click it a second time and choose Set as Default Communication Device to ensure dual-channel priority. Teknobalta's analysis confirmed that having split default assignments often confuses the Roblox voice chat engine. Seventh, let us execute a manual Windows Audio Services restart to clear background buffer freezes. Press Windows key plus R, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter to load the System Services Manager. Scroll down to locate Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder in the list of services. Right-click each service individually and select Restart, then wait for the sound subsystem to reinitialize completely. Eighth, we will perform a thorough check of the app volume and device preferences menu in Windows Settings. Navigate to System Settings, click on Sound, and scroll down to select Advanced Sound Options or Volume Mixer. Look for Roblox in the list of currently active applications while the game is running. Change its input device from default to the explicit hardware name of your microphone to override any broken system routing. Ninth, check your microphone's sample rate and bit depth compatibility within Windows hardware properties. Open the Recording tab in the Sound Control panel, double-click your microphone, and navigate to the Advanced tab. Under the Default Format drop-down menu, set the audio format to 2-channel, 16-bit, 44100 Hz, which represents standard CD quality. High-resolution studio sample rates can occasionally cause input failures within the Roblox voice chat codec. 10th, let us disable all audio enhancements and spatial sound effects applied to the recording device. In the Microphone Properties window, navigate to the Enhancements or Signal Processing tab if it is present on your system. Check the box labeled Disable All Sound Effects or toggle audio enhancements to the off position. Our testing confirmed that third-party DSP filters can silently crash the input stream during active gameplay. 11th, we recommend running the native Windows Audio Recording Troubleshooting Diagnostic tool. Open System Settings, navigate to the Troubleshoot menu, select Other Troubleshooters, and locate Recording Audio. Click the Run button and allow the automated system wizard to scan for driver conflicts, muted pipes, or registry errors. Apply any recommended system fixes prompted by the wizard, and restart your computer to solidify the repairs. 12th, you must inspect your hardware connections and USB controller power-saving states. If you use a USB microphone, unplug the device from its front panel chassis port and reconnect it directly to a rear motherboard USB port. Open Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click your USB root hubs, select Properties, and go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that allows the computer to turn off the device to save power, preventing input disconnects. 13th, let us clear the local Roblox application cache to remove corrupted configuration files. Press Windows key plus R, type %localappdata% into the Run dialog box, and press Enter to open the App Data local directory. Locate the Roblox folder, open it, and completely delete the contents of the logs and cache subfolders. This clears outdated hardware preference files and forces the game client to generate a clean device profile upon next launch. 14th, check your Roblox account settings to verify that voice chat is officially enabled and verified. Open a web browser, log into your Roblox account, navigate to Account Settings, and select the Privacy tab. Under the Beta Features or Voice Chat section, ensure that the toggle switch for use microphone to chat with voice is active. If this account-level switch is turned off, the in-game audio input selection menu will remain non-functional. 15th, perform a complete reauthentication of your session by logging out and flushing your DNS cache. Log out of the Roblox desktop client entirely, then open an elevated command prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdins and hit Enter, followed by typing netch winsock reset and pressing Enter. Reboot your computer and log back into Roblox to establish a fresh network handshake for the voice communication servers. 16th, update your motherboard chipset and proprietary audio drivers directly from the manufacturer. Do not rely solely on standard Windows Update packages for your Realtek, USB audio, or interface drivers. Visit your motherboard or microphone manufacturer's official support website, download the latest audio driver package, and install it cleanly. Up-to-date audio libraries resolve low-level API communication bugs between Windows and modern game engines. 17th, verify that no third-party virtual audio cables or voice modulators are intercepting your microphone signal. Software such as Voicemeeter, Clownfish, or custom soundboards install virtual recording devices that can hijack default routing. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, and temporarily disable any virtual audio devices you are not actively using. This ensures that Roblox communicates directly with your physical microphone without routing through a broken virtual bridge. 18th, inspect your antivirus and firewall software for restrictive microphone privacy modules. Certain comprehensive security suites include specialized webcam and microphone protection shields that block unverified game executables. Open your antivirus dashboard, navigate to the privacy or hardware protection module, and check the application block list. Add the Roblox player executable to the allowed applications whitelist so its audio capture requests are never silently intercepted. 19th, perform a clean reinstallation of the Roblox player application to repair damaged core libraries. Open the Windows Settings menu, go to Apps, locate Roblox Player, and click Uninstall to remove the software completely. After uninstallation, delete any leftover files in your program files and local app data directories to ensure no residual configs remain. Download the latest official installer directly from the Roblox website and perform a fresh installation. 20th, as a comprehensive final diagnostic measure, execute a Windows System file checker and DISM repair scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type sfc/scano, and press Enter to scan for missing or corrupted OS audio libraries. Once that finishes, run the command dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the underlying system. These commands ensure your Windows audio infrastructure is entirely stable and ready for seamless voice chat operation. By systematically applying these 20 technical solutions, our Teknobalta diagnostics guarantee that you will resolve your default microphone issues and restore crystal-clear voice communication in Roblox. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.